So guys, if you're looking for a cooler that can last a long time, this is one I highly recommend you check out. This was sent to me to review and super excited about this. As you can see, this is a cooler. It has a handle right here so you can grab it. Nice grip handle, a little soft grip around it right there. That's a really cool feature on that. I do want to show you guys as much of it as I can. Right here on the front, you have, you see you can have your item. It's going to show you what's going on. And so we can see right now it's set up for 40 degrees. This thing goes all the way from like -4 all the way up to 68 degrees Fahrenheit. So it can be a cooler or an actual refrigerator as well. So you got a bunch of those, or you got that option. You could set up multiple things right here. It even tells you where it's at. You have eco mode, you have max. It tells you, again, this is where it's at right now. I just plugged it in a few minutes ago, letting it run. You can hear it run, but it's super quiet. I can barely tell it's running. It's really quiet, which is nice on that front. One of the cool things I love about it is it's plugged in. You can see right here, I have it plugged in. It has the big part, and then it's plugged into a the wall over here. So it's running. But another cool thing that I love is it actually has another charger. So maybe you're taking this boating, or maybe you're taking this in your vehicle. You're going to take a long road trip. We do that sometimes with our family. And it's nice because you can plug this thing up, can keep stuff cool. You're not having to run and grab ice all the time, or your ice runs out, or any of that kind of stuff. You have a plenty big cooler, and you have a charger that can charge it in your vehicle when you need it. It also will run without it as well. It has a battery. Here's the battery pack right here. I'll show you a close-up of this. But you can open this up, and when you open it up, it has the battery right here. Has an in and an out. So if you're going to use this for camping, you can do that as well. You can plug in right here for camping. It also has a place where you can, there's a solar power charger option right here. And then again, you can pop in, if you need this while you're out camping, you can use it for lights or charging your cell phone or anything like that. You can even pull this out. I'm not gonna pull it out right now because it is being used, but you can pull this out, charge it, use it, like again, a power bank, that kind of stuff. Really cool option on that one. And then all you have to do is just close this back up. Boom, oops, accidentally hit that. So it's already cool, and you can see, but has two different ways you plug it in. Actually, you can even charge it with a Type-C. So say maybe you only have a Type-C, maybe you have something, that it does charge, you can plug that Type-C into. You can plug it into this and help it run with this as well. While we're looking just on the outside, it has a nice handle right here. Pull that. Got some drinks in here that are cold. It can hold up to 25 of these canned drinks and some other stuff as well. You can kind of see, I'll show you a close-up of what this actually looks like. But you can see this, you got a little tray up top. You can take this net right here out if you want to. And then you got a deeper option down there because this is where the battery and the housing and everything like that is. But on top, you can grab one of your drinks. Has a little place for it right here. Has two, you can use two of them right there. Little koozie options right there. So, it's not gonna fall right here on the top. It's kind of slick. But right there, have a place to keep those, which is really cool. So I think that's a great option. I love, again, just all the storage. You got a ton of storage. You can feel it getting cooler in here. But a lot of options for whatever you can use that for, whatever you want to use it for. Again, great thing for taking to the beach or the lake or camping or, road trips. I think that's what we're going to be using it for, either the road trips or just other things like that. But you're going to be able to use this and put it at different places. And again, charge it up and use it. It lasts for a long time, and it's definitely a great item for that. I really like, again, the multiple different plugs. It's really cool right there. Multiple different plugs is nice. Clip those in. You have some hooks back here on the back. I'll show you those as well. You can hook this to something if you got a little place to carry it, maybe on your boat. You can hook that in there. Or, I know a lot of my friends love to hunt and fish. If you're going to be fishing all day and you want to keep your drinks cold, or, or if you want to keep your, your catch cold, or if you're hunting, you want to keep, your item cold, just throw it in here and you have plenty of battery life. You can hunt all day and make sure that, again, everything stays nice and cool. I will say one of the negatives is it's heavy. And so, it's not like super heavy. It's about the weight of a cooler. I do have drinks in there as well. So I wouldn't say it's like over the top heavy compared to a cooler, but it is going to be heavier because you have the battery in there and a couple other cooling items. So, but besides that, definitely it is a great thing. You're going to use it for so many things. Again, outside camping, if you're going to be camping for a long time, this is definitely a game changer for you. Or if you're going to be, fishing or at the beach or at the lake all day, get you one of these, throw that in there, and you'll have cold items all the time. Because like I said, hope I mentioned it, it does run off of your battery. And then while it's plugged up, you know, it's plugged up and running, but it will run off your battery as well. And it does have a little feature right here. Again, I didn't point out, but you can actually open this up and access your battery panels again, where you can plug stuff in and different things like that. So really cool option on that one. But I really like it. I think it's a game changer. We're definitely going to be using this thing, and it's incredible. Really cool features, really cool option. I've never seen one like this, never used anything like this either, and I think it's really neat. It does have an app as well. You can grab the app and use it for different things to keep stuff, you know, cool. You can keep an eye on where it's all at and everything right there. And again, it's just going to be, you know, kind of replicating what this looks like right here. So cool option for that. I think it's a really cool one. I don't know about longevity. That's the one thing. I don't know how long it's going to last. We've just got it and it's recent. But again, we've grabbed it and used it. And again, you know, keeps stuff cool, keeps drinks cool, keeps all this stuff neat, you know. I really like that. It's definitely going to be a good thing for us. You can even use this as like a table. If you're going to the beach or camping or something like that, use it as a table. Have your drinks right here if you want them. Use it for other things right there. And then, you know, whatever you're done with, you're done with. So I think it's a really cool option. I mean, super neat. Super thankful to try this out. Definitely going to take it on our next road trip and even to the beach with us as well. So I think it's a great option for that. But if you're interested, I will have a link down below. You can check it out down there. Feel free to leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any other questions, drop them down as well. And I'll see you in the next video.